this is about long and short vowels. Yeah, long and short vowels. So remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the long vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And the short vowel sounds are A, I, I think. All right, let's take a look at these. So this is for the letter A, and on the left is the short A, apple, apple, and on the right is the long A, ape, ape. Again, A, the short vowel sound is A for ant, and the long vowel sound is A for acorn. A for acorn. The short vowel sound on of the letter A on the left is A, ambulance, and the long A letter sound is A, apron. So ambulance, apron. The short letter sound on the left is A, alligator, and on the right, the long sound is A, angel. This is now the letter E. So the short E sound is egg, and the long E sound is E, eagle. Again, for the letter E, the short vowel sound is for elbow, elbow. This is my elbow right here, my elbow, elbow. And the long E is E, as in ear. This is my ear, ear. That's an ear, ear. The short vowel sound on the left is for elephant, and the long vowel sound is E for evening, evening. So now we're going to the letter I, and the short I on the left, the sound is I for igloo, and the long sound is I, like in island. And the short I is I, like in insect, and the long I is I, like in iron. And on the left is the short I, and the word, the sound is I, and the word is illness, illness. And on the right, it's the long I, like in ice cream. Now we're at the letter O, and the short O is like in octopus. And the long O is O, like in oatmeal, oatmeal. Again, the letter O, the short O is like in onion. And the long O is O, like in open. Open the door. Open the window. Open. And again, the letter O, the short O is olive. Olive. And on the right, the long O is O, like oak tree. Oak tree. And now we're at the letter U. So the short U is, the sound is like in umbrella, and the long U is U, like in unicorn, unicorn. The letter U again, the short U is under. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table, under. And the long U is U, like in ukulele, ukulele. And a ukulele is a Hawaiian instrument. It's like a little guitar. And the letter U again, the short sound is like in the word up, up. And the long U is U. The sound is U, like in uniform, uniform. Okay, we'll see you soon.